Hi everyone, it's Jill. I'm coming on to do a quick share of some things I've been given in the mail. Some happy mail from Suzan and from Muriel, who's Ms. Cooper's Coop here on YouTube. And then I'm going to share some Christmas tags that I've made too. If I can do it all in one video, otherwise I'll split it into two. But if you guys remember on my last video, I shared a little Christmas tag from Stampin' Up! That is a little was a little pumpkin loaf tag, and I just it was the only thing I could find, and Susan Laverty sent me a set of tags that she cut using a design from the Silhouette Design Store. She found a bread and loaf pan called Baking Bread Set by Samantha Walker, number 8937, and so she cut it in 3 Christmas designs in 2 sizes and 2 fall designs in 2 sizes, along with some blanks and other things that I can use to make these tags. And aren't these adorable? So I cannot wait to decorate these, Susan. I think it'd be fun. You could put a sentiment right on the loaf and put a hole and a string. There's so many different things you could do, but I was going to show you guys what she sent, and she has it all bundled into a nice little packet for me. God bless you, Susan. So look at this. There's just different Christmas patterns. Look at that houndstooth. Isn't that sweet? And this one's almost like a candy cane. You could decorate this one with candy canes. And if you made like some chocolate chip peppermint bread or something, you could also use that one for that. But look at how sweet. And then for the fall ones that I do, the pumpkin bread with walnuts. So this is just going to be so sweet to use. And then she has different sizes, and then she also gave me some blanks too to play with. So just lots of possibilities to have these for all the breads that I bake. The zucchini pineapple bread that I use the zucchini from my garden for, and the pumpkin breads and everything. So thank you, Susan. Susan is just the sweetest person. She sees my needs, and then she just takes care of them for me. That's like Jesus. Anyway, and I think she had it wrapped in this cute paper too, which is just adorable. Look at the little gingerbreads and socks and stuff on here. Isn't that cute? It says joy, and it has Christmas sweaters. I just love everything. Fall and winter are my 2 favorite seasons, definitely. And then in the summer, I just love to garden. So then, yesterday, I was surprised with this in the mail, this beautiful package. It's in a bag. Look at, she even decorated the bottom of the bag. It says trick or treat. So this is from the Coop House. Hello, Muriel. I hope you guys have been to Muriel's channel. Look at this, you guys. She made this little dangle with, with these skulls on it. Isn't that an adorable dangle? It's got little blings and skulls. Oh my gosh, it's just so cute. I wanted to film a video today specifically just because I wanted to share these happy mails. So I wanted to come down right away and do this because I just got this last night when I got home. So this one says Witch's Brew 31. Look at the little pumpkin, and look at all the little details. Muriel is so talented at combining things. You know, she just adds the sweetest little details. Look at this. There's a little candy corn, another little pumpkin over here. So I'm assuming to get this off of here, I think, you guys, I have to kind of pop this up to open up the bag. So let me do that really quick. And then I'm just going to take everything out, and we'll start taking a look at what she sent. God bless her. Okay. There's lots of these fun black crinkle papers. I love that. And then I think she showed these on her channel. She makes these neat embellishments, and that's what was holding the bag closed. So, but you could also use this, like I could use this in my journal on Halloween. So that's probably what I'll do with it, is put it in my little journal that I'm making. So thank you, Muriel, for thinking of me. Muriel's just a sweetheart. I'm sorry I've been away from crafting for a while, you guys. I've been taking care of family members. And you know, that's always the most important thing we do, is take care of each other. So look at this. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. I want to take them out, Muriel. These are little pinwheels, or, oh, is it sealed in here? I'm trying to see if there's a way to open it, and I don't see one yet. There's no flap, so I don't know how you did that, Muriel. Oh, with your thing, you sealed it in. That is really cool. Look at that one with the spider. It says Halloween on it. This one says boo, and then one of the O's is a candy corn. And then this one says October 31st, and it's got a little witch's hat, a little bauble, and I love the way she uses the silver trim underneath there. But look at that cute pumpkin. These are adorable, Muriel. And then she sealed it with one of those things in plastic. What a neat idea. I can't remember what that thing is called that you roll along and it seals the plastic for you. Oh my gosh, you guys. I can't remember stuff. And then, let's see. This is a little envelope. Let me see if I can get this open, you guys. Everything's sealed so good, Muriel, and I don't want to wreck it. This is a really sweet envelope. Look at this paper, is so cute.